went to see Dr. Kaufmann because we have a genetic disorder in our family that we were hoping to screen for before we had children. From the moment I walked in the door, I felt really comfortable. We explained to him what our issue was, and he said, yes, we can do that. We do it all the time. And so we sort of felt immediately that we were in the right place. And one of the things that we really appreciated from Dr. Kaufmann is he sort of stays on the pulse of all the most recent, scientific findings as far as IVF is concerned.
The most recent advances we actually have in that area would be egg freezing. The second area would be diagnosis of genetic diseases with the embryos. And third would be just the overall how we do in vitro fertilization, as far as culturing, transferring, and those type of things. The other technology that's evolved is pre-implantation genetic diagnosis or pre-implantation genetic screening. And that's where we can actually remove cells from the embryos and do analysis on it. I actually did research about 20 years ago taking a look if removing these cells from embryos would harm them, and we showed that it didn't, preclinical studies. My laboratory director here, he's done over probably 3,000 of these type of embryo biopsies, and so I think it's a matter of expertise as well.
About 2 months after the beginning of our process, we found out we were pregnant. We were very lucky in that it, for us, worked the first time with our first child. When he was about 2 years old, we decided it was time to have number 2, and there was sort of no question that we were going back to Dr. Kaufmann. We had already sort of informed him that we would be, in the near future, coming back.
We've got now 2 children through this technology, and it's just wonderful that you can actually prevent a disease from occurring before even having the baby.
Dr. Kaufmann and all of the people in his office do an amazing job of making you feel comfortable from the moment that you walk in the door. They assess what your problem is, they meet it head on. They walk you through the process, and with us, we were very lucky to have 2 healthy boys, and we will be going back to him for our 3rd.